Assalamu alaikum. So inhalers and CPAP machines, or for apnea, different types of machines that generate pressurized air, or even some steam would be involved as well, or perhaps sometimes they might actually add certain medications. They are inhaled and therefore not necessarily entering through the pathway of what is considered as dove, to mean that it's not something that you're going to be eating. So therefore, this is not a fasting breaker, and certainly you can actually sleep with it and still have your fast valid. Same thing when we're talking about for those that use inhalers, they could also use it and still maintain their fast, because it is not certainly a nutrient and it's not food. Assalamu alaikum.